Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be talking about Cardano, comparing the two with one another, and we're going to compare those two with Altcoin Market Cap just to build a great macro understanding of what's going on in the altcoin market. And we're also going to couple those insights with a market analysis on Litecoin and Band Protocol, two altcoins that are on the cusp of potentially great moves. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and let's dive right in. This is Ethereum's price action, and this is a macro predicament that I specified a few months back, early July, where we were seeing a falling wedge against a multi-month higher low, the 2021 higher low here. Multi-wedge, multi-month or at least multi-week wedge, apologies, and multi-month higher low here. And you saw this falling wedge dip below the monthly multi-month higher low, but ultimately break out from the falling wedge nonetheless to rally towards this final resistance. And the reason this is important is because it has formed a U-shaped reversal, a macro U-shaped reversal. And I'll talk about this in a bit more detail, but I just want to juxtapose this with Cardano, just to give you some idea as to why this is important at all, because Cardano here has a falling wedge as well, right? It has a multi-month higher low as well. And it's broken out to revisit its final resistance area, right? But it's broken beyond this resistance a long time ago, a few weeks back, in fact. So effectively, Cardano is leading Ethereum, as funny as that might sound, because Ethereum has only just revisited its final resistance level right over here, whereas Cardano revisited its final resistance a few weeks back. So we're seeing a bit of leading from Cardano, and Cardano is showcasing to us that Ethereum could indeed follow it with a breakout of its own from a U-shaped reversal right over here, because right now we got a weekly candle close above that final resistance for Ethereum, and now we're in the process of retesting that level as a support. Successful retest here, and we're going to revisit these old all-time highs and break to new all-time highs, probably because this is a final major resistance area that is now turning into a support, so very little strong resistance on the way to new all-time highs for Ethereum. So effectively, this sort of price action from Ethereum can be seen in Cardano's price action as well. But we can also see this in the Altcoin Market Cap. Can you see that this is a chart from the 21st of August, falling wedge here for Altcoin Market Cap, and a U-shaped reversal nonetheless. And I said that if we were to break past this resistance here, then we'd see an additional 12 to 18% move towards the upside. And indeed, we got that 18% move towards the upside because we've revisited this final resistance area for Altcoin Market Cap. And notice how this is analogous to this Ethereum situation, to this Cardano situation. So now that we've seen that 18% move, that's great, that's all well and good, but at the moment we're already trying to turn this old major resistance into a support, just like Ethereum is doing in the parallel universe. So this 18% move is great, but we might actually see even more than that, because we have one resistance level left until new all-time highs for Altcoin Market Cap as well. So successfully turning this level, old resistance, into a new support will enable a springboard to new all-time highs, most likely. Really exciting to see that, because we're seeing U-shaped reversals, which started with falling wedges at the bases across, or at least for the Altcoin Market Cap, across to Ethereum, or at least Cardano in this case, U-shaped reversal, falling wedge here, and the same thing for a U-shaped reversal starting at the base with a falling wedge for Ethereum. Great to see this sort of cross-market similarities. Those cross-market similarities are really great to see. Let's talk about Litecoin. And in fact, you could make a case for a falling wedge here, which kickstarted this new uptrend. And in fact, I speak about Litecoin in a previous video, so feel free to check that one out. I'm not going to talk about it in more detail. I'll focus more on Band Protocol, but in any case, this was a previous resistance, now be turning into a new support. Successfully retest here and we'll see the high 260s. More analysis on that in a previous video. Feel free to check that out. This is Band Protocol, and you can see here that $10.33 was a key resistance. And we've actually managed to weekly close above this key resistance, turn it into support already in this current candle. And if you focus on previous weekly breakouts from this same level, we saw tremendous overextension towards the upside. So we're in the same analogous situation right now to what we saw a few months back earlier this year for Band Protocol. So Band Protocol is on the cusp of a breakout following a successful retest attempt. We still need to just see successful price strength confirmation at this level here, in the same way we have to see successful price strength confirmation for Litecoin here. In the same way we need to see successful price strength confirmation for Altcoin Market Cap as well. Same thing with Ethereum. We're seeing all these crucial retests upon fantastic weekly closes across multiple crypto assets. And as long as those successful retests will continue to be successful as they are at the moment, so far so good, we'll see further upside going forward this week. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Like the content if you enjoyed this one and would like to see more content like this going forward across different crypto assets and combining them into a better macro perspective and understanding of what's going on in crypto. In any case, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.